Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on app development with Heroku, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the basics of Heroku. Heroku is a platform as a service that simplifies app development and deployment. Start by creating a free Heroku account on their website. Once your account is set up, log in to the Heroku dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Next, decide on the tech stack you want to use for your app. Heroku supports multiple programming languages like Ruby, Node.js, Python, and Java. Choose the language that best fits your project's requirements. After selecting your programming language, set up the development environment on your local machine. Install the necessary tools and dependencies for your app. Now, create a new Git repository for version control. Using Git helps you manage changes and collaborate effectively. Develop your app locally, testing features as you build. Once your app is ready, prepare it for deployment to Heroku. Create a new app on the Heroku dashboard. Use the appropriate commands in your terminal to connect your local Git repository to your Heroku app. Deploy your app by pushing your changes to Heroku using Git. Monitor the deployment process through the terminal. Once the deployment is complete, open your app in a web browser. Consider using Heroku add-ons to enhance your app's functionality. Add-ons provide support for databases, caching, monitoring, and more. Utilize the free tiers of these add-ons to save costs. Scale your app only when necessary to manage expenses effectively. Regularly review your Heroku usage and resources. Optimize your app's performance to ensure efficient use of the platform. By following these steps, you can save significantly on app development costs with Heroku. Evaluate the outcomes and iterate on your app based on user feedback. Stay updated with Heroku's latest features and pricing plans for cost-saving opportunities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.